Hello, this is Abhishek from GizDev. Today is the second part of the series, that is the short tricks. Today we'll see how to change the Bing search, which is default in the Microsoft Edge Chromium, to Google search. Personally, I am using the Google Chrome for a long time and using Google search as default, so I am familiar with the Google search and find it little bit comfy. So I installed a new Edge Chromium browser a few days ago and it's really good. It is based on Chromium, so extension and all the stuff work the same as Google Chrome. So for this we have to go to Chrome Web Store and search there for Chrome Tana extension. If you don't find it, I will link the extension in the description below and you can get that. So you can install this Chrome Tana extension, which is used to change the search engines from Bing, Yahoo to Google. And also you can, if you like the DuckDuckGo search engine, you can set that. So after installation it will give three options to set the search engine as per your recommendation. So you can select Google search, DuckDuckGo or Yahoo search. So let's select Google and let's try searching it. So I open the new tab and search for, so it will now search in the default search engine, that is I set to the Google. So let's try another one. Let's try this time DuckDuckGo and let's search the same query now. So now it will search in the DuckDuckGo search engine. So that is how also you can use the Yahoo search engine. So that's it for today's short tricks. See you in the next video.